Brad Williams, XL Prime. How to use flash fill? Well, what is flash fill? It is sort of equivalent of the auto check and the auto spell and the spill feature. This is a hit and miss kind of deal. So for example, we want just the first name here. What happens is if you type in the first name, you go to the second row and you put in Donald. Excel, if it sees a pattern, then it will fill that pattern. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Michael, and hit Donald, you could see it autofills. They call a flash fill. Is it correct? You certainly want to check anything Excel automatically does for you, but it looks close. How about last name? Put Azrili, and how about Carter? Flash fill. How about this middle initial? Space PI, and then put a space. We have space E and a space. These are just middle initials. How about M, space M plus, and you can see it's not really doing anything. How about if we go space and then space P period, and we go space and we space, space, and then space E, space, space, and you can see it's really not that the flash fill is not 100%. Let's go over here. Let's put in 6785. We just want numbers. 38. Look what it does. It picks up a bunch of stuff, but is it right? We have 6787538 2580 3146 15. Well, it did a pretty good job there. How about the zip code? 94568, 94536, 94538, 94501, 94. After the fifth attempt, it found the pattern. Is it right? Always verify. The flash fill worked pretty good there. It's highly recommended to verify this information. The flash fill may serve a purpose. If you're not comfortable with that, you can always incorporate formulas to do the exact same thing. We can always do the blend right, left. We can use some of the new tools. Well, they're not available yet. They're still in beta format, but there's some text manipulation tools that Excel introduced in, I think, February 2022, March of 2022. And it's still in the beta. That means the select group that sign up for that particular preview option is available. There's some criteria. You may need to be a developer. There's some criteria, but you can sign up for it, and Microsoft will release this information before it goes public. And there are a handful of new manipulation tools. But otherwise, you can incorporate some of the old school stuff. Take care of this yourself instead of relying or crossing your fingers that Excel's correct with this flash fill feature. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.